Nkiathishago na ngucokeria nkatho cia mwanya muno nontu bwakona kanya kwatana batu Nteto cia Weru Thaa mwanja cia tariki 24 mweri wa 11 mwaka 2022 riakwa rietu WINNIE wa Kengero. Tukiambiriria ni ati kamiti ya mbunge nene ya mantu yegi ogima bwa mwiri ni cemanite niguo kenda kwariria mantu yegi NHIF. Akamiti ni thirite cemania na atongeria mwanya ba NHIF ario mulwamiri munene na Kiambu karirigite wayo yamwe ya mantu yaraberegerete kwitha bakiariri mantu yegie igitumi kana mantu yegie kana yokonia kureka kulwamira motungata ya chie barabati kumama chibitarine. Mwandiki wetu wa Nteto Antoni Kathenya kuma muci munene wa Nairobi na thiatirite riboti na tukethira twikuretara yo na njire nkinyaniru Nteto cia Weru ogoro. Tugeta na mbere ni ati gavana wa kaunti ya Kiambu Kimani wa matangine ndina irigeretwe kwithira kilazimika guchala a minister bangi babero batano nyuma ya batano kiekumi baraombere kwithira gichala kureo kuluku imbunge ya kaunti ya Kiambu. Yamwe ya mantu yaraba kuweyo yatumite baria kwithira baikuluku ni amuna kwithira batena maume na kinyamo omenyo kirindwangi iraba thuri kwithira bakiwatila.
Have at least been able to pass 5 motions out of the 10. And by a big margin, this is a plus for us. Members of this house had the leeway to deliberate upon each member, each nominee, and we are glad that we had a chance for each and every person. And it is true, we are all happy about what has happened this afternoon. So going forward, without anticipating what will happen, we now will now send the 5 names to the governor so that he can organize for swearing in ceremony for them, and then organize on how to do or what to do with the remaining 5 nominees, because at the end of it, definitely we'll have to have the 10 nominees come to this house. Having said so, we are all in agreement that there is no vacuum, and so the government will still continue undertaking its duties until we get the right nominees for the positions that are remaining.
For being independent-minded, for being autonomous in their thinking and their decision-making, because we had a fear that there would be interference from outside sources, from other sources trying to coerce members' decision. But today, I think, was a turning point for this assembly, and we've set a good precedent for other motions that will be coming in front of this assembly. And I want to thank every assembly member who contributed to the motions that we have passed and to the motions that we have decided not to pass, so that we can have consistency when it comes to decision making and passing of motions in this assembly. All assemblies, the executive always tries to have a hand in when it comes to motions for obvious reasons. But in this instance, we decided that we are going to be independent thinking, and anybody who had a thought that this would be a rubber stamp assembly, that notion has been dispelled, and I'm very happy that we shall hopefully keep that momentum going, that we are not a rubber stamp assembly. That's the most important thing we've decided today as an assembly.
I want to state very categorically that Kiambu County Assembly is very independent from any external forces, but it will be more independent. It will be more independent the moment we shall have our exchequer directly from Treasury directly to the Kiambu County Assembly. Once we shall have that as the separation of the powers, that our funds will not be channeled through the minister in charge of finance, then if we can have our funds channeled directly from the Treasury to the accounts, Kiambu County accounts, then we shall have more powers and more independences in terms of independence in this assembly.
Kongi na kuniate aciari bana barabata ukirini chunche bia mwiri beyete amoba kiamukira na bokuma kemoritani yarabethirite bagete dhuirwa na yona mbere mwanya kumantere chianto beto ekiongo. Aciari bamwe na mulwamiri wa gikundi kie iborete thirikari utirani wakaskuru nyinge chiana babata ukirini chunche bia mwiri na kinya utenga kigina kiobatetheria na kinya utira ni bobo uridato alitwa kwithira baitumira ni bokenda gweta ntere mwanya. Mwandiki wetu wa Nteto Nicholas Tabare na Shona Njira inkinyaniru.
Hatari marindu ntaza ntabato industry taza
warira mainga machukuru mathiete na mbere ntere mwanya mwanya chukuru ikingagwa kinya antu baba ithagiro bainana bataukirĩtwo nĩ irungo bya mwĩrĩ kuma ntere cia antu beto kiongo kinya boi bethũthũranĩtie nuntu bakwithirwo bethagirwo baina bantu ara bamenyagira ana abao kinya bona kuga iba kuinga nikenda ana bao bethirwo baemejie igita rĩrĩa rũtha bakiromba thirikari bakirugura Januari bethirwo bakiririkano muno ni atongeria na muno nkuruki kinya bakiromba thirikari yake chukuru imbingi cia antu baba na magwathe nikenda abona akwira ana bao
ramba ringi nkuromba ya skuru kwetha twina skuru iri okue nonto thai aciari babena na bena mawathe ibalelero ana bo kwithira mwana na mawathe te jumuisho ana beto ibakuthoma ana beto bateweta lakini akirisio ni kuritangwe kuringana bo ka eitarunka rete abo imbonete akirisio ikuritangwe kwagwira mbara kwa kithirikari muno nitwarererwe skuru
iratomba kuwa ni special skuru irerio ni mutuate division ireri kuraya muno na anto ao aciari babaingi batiumba kwendi kinya kuo na kinya uwezo tibu bakwendi kuo
kwina skuru imwe batemenya kwithirwa baeta bonthe nonto mwana ina urakari kwina mwana wina untu bura gwi kiongone kiawe butiumba utumamenya untu bwa kuthoma into bira mwana ora kumya kuthoma kinjara amenya kuthoma ende nkaua kireromba rieto turi aciari thirikari no yukumire tukona na ba skuru ira baweta na bakona kithomo yana barabange nonto kinya bo ibethero bakienda kithomo
skuru enkamandi tumba kwa nirandu bonde babe na disability babe begembe not ende orangiromba onto batu orinde itombere tika facility kanini tukomba kwitha tukia empowered kenda kinya tumba kwitha tukia accommodate antu tumba kwitha tukia accommodate ana baba inge gutikia tumba kwitha tutete bwega
kando na mathomo aciari baba riuga ibethagirwo bakinyirika muno na muno igita riba enukite na ana bao baba ithagirwo bena tukire ba irungo mwanya bakiromba thirikari itetherie kinya ana ababa na njira kinya ya bagachuira akigina ke kubatethagiria na kinya kubanenkira into bingi mwanya
nande na chawe tede autology hato industry taza asintori nampetete ansa anda haria etoto industry
ana baba aneta mesigire aciari baba ya stress ana baba inge baterikana inya kuiyaura niba yabo ko tukasiomaniria abo na tikwenda kwa musiari ikwetha ko te inya bia nabio alafu kana kati anilwa to ana tongi kana kala kati anilwa to kimaka karera kala nto katena mesoki egoria to ndaromba kithirikari etumenyera ne yelele to ana to ora bakwelelia na bangi ba primary na bambonding kwethirwa kinya boni ana boteyo
tukumenya kwena into bibinge muno biethera bia antu baba disability kwethera kwena bia cia disabled kwethera kwena card ana baba tubeta hospitali bate kuria yauma antu tumenyetera kintu ticiona wethera mwana itarira irwenye ta hospitali ureta na kandira mwana kamburotheri lakini mwanka thai batu into bibita tukinyira lakini tumabie kithirikari itukuromba thirikari nilekeria into bia antu ba at least bone bo bawitethia bio
kinyani kenda kuromba kuma thirikari nene mwanka thirikari ya county tombo tetheria antu bano ntu ba yukiria tua bomba kuritana bara batura baithi nyumba naramichie baturua kendenya batumba kuona ka kenda bongo bombo chibone antu
komanto beto kiongo gembe north Petan class Chabari
MCO wa dia municipality Caleb Mutevia kia na ichukibia ngokona rombete waziri wa mantu ya urimi wa nthiguruni ya Kenya Franklin Mithika Linturi tira na ukiri urimi bwango kone bwa kenda nto mwanya bakethe bageta na mbere na kugunika nabio
standard ready to ronanua within North Imenti municipality tatuto tumaira nkari nyingi mono but nkari chonde chuma ntura ja Kiambu na Ivasha na nanange niro tukwendi kuona na tatu mbikuthithia nuntu nturire ingi tauni ne ire na iba kombe oturera nguku na nkara
turari kundi ne byaku na nkona nde ngoko yiga turita nkumugongo nontu mwe kulwendia ngoko nendia nkara ri mbesa yu akagura nacio ruku antu atwita mwitune na tutethetie muno kinyambere athurwa atwaririria na aja ikundi ne bya mwito nitukulima mwitune nandi na tukiandaga miti
tukaita wakina mama uo tuona twarethia ngoko ici tukomenya batu kuma tukienda ya town yetu ya municipality ngoko nitumikana inya muno tukatonya thoko ne tukambiria kwenda thoko tera ruguriro au mugutano tukatonya moteri na no tumoteri ya kuja rejaga ngoko
na ro twina minister wetu agriculture Mithika Nturi nitugukuromba minister itukwana Nturi ingi ura bakuthithia na ndino ntwiji njeku itukuromba nya empowerment iji wina uri national government wone na tugatetheria ntura chetu naja mashinani tumbigukiria antu betu urithi bwa nguku urithia bwa ng'ombe subsidy ya irio nuntu irio ibyo byo tuchumbura mono tumena tirio bibi konekana mbecha cia ndiguru kenda antu betu bombi gwitete ko unaru inkwera ba mami betu ibwega ni gwitikiria beja tukale agikundi kina antu 40 na tukweja na like 300 nguku na itukura murungu ibwega nuntu irari just a project ya kwambiria kithirikale county it is a challenge itobati ukarande twinde tukona na tumbotethaniria tugitangu gitu yamwe nuntu project yeje keji kwethwa held by the government itself ngwetiki project yombi kuguna antu betu na ekaba ina nkuruki
Kongina kuni ate machibo na nene ba matura kangeta ibabu ithete musako bagichuana na nabani ni barabo tumeka kwethira bakiringa biashara na bangi kwethira bagiukumake biashara ene chia wendia bwamirana ingi nyingi bakere mabitha bai barutete mukana kiri ashiari bana babara bakethe bakiwatikana akiwa na bakana ashiari boba kethira bagikirwa mpene abrato tariru mwandiki wetu Nteto Dennis Mugendi
aromba biashara betu tokwato kienda ikana hekurera mirabo enako iwetu ekira mpengo tokwato ete mwana ngweni wetu tutaenda na wewe
iyi niyo nyingintu ya sibo munene kangeta yembe Central Morris Kimathi bagwatanirite na masibo bangi na kurubantura nabo batongeretwe ni abisa o county murungamiri kangeta munene Kaburwa bo ni nyuma ya wagagia bwa ukalia na ana kwerera na korora kuingia mushine jojo
wananchi bakangeti turagwatanire tutikwenda amba thokone kangeta na amba muno ntukuri ari na vituko bivinge twana toka watu ito tukuija antu batumira twana tunini kuija lebo nturu ari kuona twena musako yo kusaka twana tuonde
to yonde yo twithire to thai twana twende ne ara tutuete na mira kwika moto watire kai na kibunda biele na tonge na ana bonde muntu ura wendo tena kibande twe muyuke ya mwana kinya barabo umete skuru bo bonde ne ana
na bonge torawire ana barabonde ba umete skuru kwe ana be yakwa ni baro abasoa kenda bona mbesa cio soka skuru ro thene bo buru itorete mwana nari emosie musiani natore amusoire no ntoto kya korogeria na baba eta baka free range ute atongerie twena baba rojo
onyo ingi irikiri ene bonda bonda
kile mantoni ya bikibiki toa wata mwana etete bikibiki kama utapea mtoto utena kibande bikibiki ole wako tugeta bikibiki na bwambire kuwa kiyenu na bwambire kuwa OCS na bwambire kuwa chibu
to ina representative babonda bonda na ibandikithite ito iba formere sakos ko members ito kumenya baraba cooperate kangeta baraba cooperate kithisa ndi chanturoba cha mutene na every day to godro to na review eu na itorogwire bonda bonda cha kuluka thaithano na ya kuluka ikethro rende ile license kai kimenyawa no totote kwanda kurwa biashara mu
Kaburwa nawe aliuga bari thirikari ya Governor Kawira Mwangaza bari na mibango ya kujania ana tababa mwe na kubatonyithia mubango ne jwa MYS Tajume Youth Service
tokiarira cia manto ya na baba street ne in fact you initiative mara yeta ina intention ya MYS ni wewe imwe so within no time excellence na the leadership of MYS pena mpango yo atwana turatu street ne na tukero aitarite kura yake ndatu no to abatethia nenya thai program mwetu eno ye kwandamite para bainge to yokete muno ne ana babe to bariana tu batena ngwese kurita so we have started this step we mwetu eno na kwena mipango enge mingi yeta kenda tumba ku empower na youth beto bomba kwithora bengo ine
kenda ikuminikiri Indian sobi bangi na rebi bayo na buka ngeta igeta igweta ria kugweteka liriega
kinya kangeta thoko twena nchobi muno cibango na ene nyabangi kinyo atoro twena ntuba bangi as from next week Monday na tukwana notice etome na eta kuitha na bangi ciaku na nchobi ciaku nontu kinyo ni ekuvasababisha mantu amingi muno etare nene bwana Dennis yote kolokera stage skuru ingi nyama bakaida turangia nkoba won skuru ntwera ingi bakaide twale tweto ndoni kuwata watana bare ole wako nikikwamata na hiyo as from today nanko ndo bangon please nankebera ya president ubona arure Kenya tete ende enchobi kwa ndio ende enchobi nkwaya na notice duare nyabange benyume wako nara na bete bathami othai
mbas kwena mando te manyo ko disclose ke public lakini to lwelete mando ya securities dene mbamuno in fact to adirania mando ya to ana ya to kuthiria thaa to choketa ke bus. Additionally, as the county government to na mpango ya kubwethia bus inspection to bwetha every year na probably December kana January kuringana reto kaiwa program wira tukienda kubwethia inspections ya bus cietu kenda tuona chobire kwendo ambaye ne kithanira itikire tu watho kana iba kubwethia ora sheria witikire babwethia na mantu ya license.
Dennis Mugendi, Weru TV, mushini okangeta Igembe Central, County ya Meru.
Katho cia mwanya muno kiwe Dennis Mugendi no ntobwa riboti na kiwe mutegeri no ntobwa kwithira wetete na mbere na kurumira ndeto cia Weru Thaa mwanja atonekanya kunogo kanini ndi tucokirete na ndeto nkulokio geta kuraya.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please?
Kuma guciaro kwa kenge kaije kieneja Weru TV itithiruto twikura na gutambaja rungu ni untu bwa kuwo mutegeri wetu irenjire mwe gutigira ituko gukinyira go mutegeri na njira cionthe na ndino wone Weru TV kiri Signet na Pang free to air StarTimes channel 440 Zuku channel 39 Go TV channel 96 na nandi turikiri DSTV channel 368 ibwega ni untu bwa gututikia Weru TV rumuri rwa Ameru. Uraigwa nkume ya mubango jothi Kenya Airlift Program ni mubango jura gutetheria aritoba Kenya kuthomera ndigiri mwanya mwanya cia masters nthigurune ya America. Kuigwatira kanya gaka no mwanka withiro uri na grade ya B plane gwitia kiri KCSE na second class honors kiri degree ya university. Guchiandikithia riongera mutandao jetu jwa www.kenyaairliftprogram.com. Ofisi chetu iri Royal Business Park 4th floor Njorincheke Street, Meru Town. Turingethi mukurukira 0703 509 493. The Kenya Airlift Program, empowering Kenyan students.
Welcome to the Living Room Stadium. It's the FIFA World Cup. The match is about to start. Food and drink ready. There's no space left for anyone. Come on, get your lucky chair. Take your usual spot. Even the puppy has one. It's preparation time. You can feel the tension in the air. And do you have everything you need to believe?
Togeni na nkatho cia mwanya muno no ntubwa kwithira wetete na mbere na kurumira ndeto cia Weru Thaa mwanja tucokera na riboti ya gimichetho ni ati FKF ya yo Football Kenya Federation ibacemanitie na atongiria bailabo birabio chetha kimuchetho yura yueregiritwe kwambiriria yuekro yua FKF kimerene kia mwaka ywa 2022 na mwaka ywa 2023.
We are ready, but we have also posted to the federation some challenges, especially for funding, and it is positive. I think the federation is also looking for the ways of footing and getting for us a sponsorship. So we are ready. We are set to go. These ladies have been called. But now we are happy, we are set to start the league. So we are happy Ababu Namwamba, the CS for Sports, has actually brought some lifeline for football activities in this country. So we also look forward for the Waziri, Ababu Namwamba, to also, as a government, chip in sponsoring women football or even men, so that it could attract more fans. And we are happy as clubs coming back to a football that is well recognized by FIFA.
The teams are still training, but I trust they're ready for the season. It hasn't been easy, but at least now we can see a way forward this, for the new league.
Katho cia mwanya muno kiewe mutegeri no ntubwa kona kanya kwatanira batu Nteto chia Weru Thaa mwanja twikire gatantonga kwendera kaita kea na ntukwenjia yo yori thari mwabia murungu mwene nyambito wa WINNIE Bakingero.